Right here is a line segment, and this is for the cars. It splits the lanes up so the cars don't go off course and they don't hit each other. This is where like the roads are where they drive and race. This is important to the game because it splits the street up, and that's where the cars should be. And if the line wasn't there, the cars might hit each other on accident because they don't know where the lines are and they can't see. So this is why it's important in the game. And in this picture, I drew a little line to show that this is the line segment. It all connects on like a line. In this clip, I show you doing a drift around the arc, and this arc is for like racing. And then once I do a drift, it gives me a better control of the car, so I can avoid hitting the wall. In this picture, you see a car drifting along the arc. So I drew like a line that shows that it's an arc. In this video clip, you see two cars drag racing, and they are side by side, which are parallel lines. And this is important because they need to be side by side to race along the runway, so they can determine the winner easily. As you can see in this picture, you see the cars are two parallel lines. So this is why I drew a line on the left side and then the right side. In this clip, you see the car taking a turn, which is the angle. So when the car is turning, it makes an angle while doing it. It's about maybe a 60-degree angle. This is important because if you take a wrong turn at like a weird angle, you might hit another car or a sidewalk. So that is why you gotta go at a certain angle. In this picture right here, you see the car take an angle. So I drew a line showing that it's taking a turn and it makes an angle right there. In this clip, I show you a plane because you see how it's like a two-dimensional flat ground and it extends really far. Like it's basically like unlimited, and that is why it's a plane. This is important because it's a basic part of the game where you have to drive around, like the streets. In this picture, you see the car going down the street. It's like a plane, it's a two-dimensional plane.
This right here is a 360-degree circle. This is important because you would usually use this to make a donut to try to impress or maybe to taunt other online players. For array, I am going to be using GTA 5's Ocean. Let's say I started from here and kept on going straight. I would never reach an end, or would I? This remains as one of GTA 5's many mysteries. Now, moving on. These right here are alternating exterior angles. In this case, they are a parking lot. They are important in GTA 5 because it keeps a distance from cars around you, but nobody really uses the parking lots in GTA 5. Notice here that this bridge is made up of two supplementary angles. See, this is important because this helps the bridge stay standing, meaning when you are driving over this bridge, it won't collapse and you won't fall into the huge body of water beneath it. These two are adjacent angles, and I was able to find these as a road in GTA 5. This is important because it separates three roads and keeps you from hitting any cars.
Hi, I'm Lamar,
And I'm Trevor.
and this is our math project for period 5.
Oh yeah.